You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that comes from French. This is in English, it's generally a stately hymn or tune. Chorale is how it's pronounced in the US. It also means a choir. Chorale comes from French chorale. Chorale, chorale. Some say it as chorale or chorale as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.